Big thank you to my wife Jessica for the design and the layout of everything on the float, and Chris for your help putting it together. You guys did a fantastic job. Let the parade begin. And the parade begins. Let's go. This is a good perspective from the driver's side of the parade when you're in a float driving down the main strip of Elora. Look at how many people are here. It's really something to see from my perspective driving, or everyone else in the parade, just to see how many people are actually there and how many people are out to support us during this event. I thought it'd be cool for people to see it from this perspective. And every year after the parade's over, within about 30 minutes to an hour, not a person in sight driving down the main drag here where the parade was. So it's a fantastic turnout, great event to be a part of. Thanks to the Elora Lions Club for putting it together. We love being a part of it. We hope everybody has a great Christmas season. Thank you all so much for coming out and watching the parade and supporting everybody. And we look forward to seeing you next year.